Today I'm going to be unboxing this very unusual Playmobil set from Rijksmuseum collection. The Rijksmuseum is the National Museum of Netherlands, dedicated to Dutch arts and history, and here we have the copy of Van Gogh's self-portrait. And yeah, let's begin our unboxing. So I finally opened our box, and now let's check what do we have inside. Well, we have this collection catalog of 2020. I'll show you a bit later. And this packet with all the contents. And lastly, we've got some stickers. To start with this transparent packet. So we've got this golden frame for our painting, this palette with white, blue, yellow and red paintings, this little brown brush, this easel, and this handsome man wearing the grey hat. I love his red hair and his brown suit with blue tie. As for me, it's unusual that he has the waistcoat under his jacket. Now I'm gonna put the stickers on. As we're finished with our set, I'm gonna show you this collection catalog. Here are the special plus sets. Here are the figures of 17th and 18th series for boys. Some city action stuff. Some more city action stuff. Oh, it's even the Porsche car. For police here. And building, football, Galaxy Police, Pirates, Novel More series, and some more Novel More series sets, Dragons and Ghostbusters, Scooby-Doo series, Back to the Future and Christmas series with a lot of nice advent calendars. Well, I actually have this one with big red octopus, and here are some hospital sets, house and furniture sets, camping sets, figures for girls, farm series, and horse farm series, spirit, and some more spirit, ever dreamers, more ever dreamers, magic underwater series, and dollhouse. Write in the comments if you like the work of Van Gogh, subscribe to my channel and click to the bell so as not to miss my new videos, and bye!